Hello YouTube, Zach Shock here, and I'm making a video, and this is kinda relating to my commentary. Okay, see right there, that's Volt 101. And oh yeah, this is how to get to Rivet City early to get the bobblehead, intelligence bobblehead. And if you want to, get it early without interfering too much of exploring, you go to Super Duper Mart, then Williams Wharf. Then, if you have the Point Lookout DLC, you can travel to here and then cross the river. I hope you have Radaway or Radex and head to Rivet City. So that's my map of getting there. So yeah, later YouTube, and I hope you enjoy my commentary after this.